Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Hey guys, so today is day 4 of Vlogtober. So what I'm getting ready to do is just whip up a quick meal really quick, and then I don't know, do some other things around the house. I really don't have nothing planned for today, so it is what it is. So yeah, so I'm trying to vlog as much as I can so I can upload a video every day for the month of October. So yeah guys, let me get started with this meal. And my hair looking a hot one. I just put this little scrunchie on. Okay guys, so what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to make like some veggie Alfredo. So I'm going to use this Garden Veggie Delight pasta mix, and I'm going to use this Tuscan herb Alfredo and wine sauce. I'm going to use my wok here. I'm going to use some of these frozen vegetables in here. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put a top on top of the water so the water can start boiling so I can add the pasta. And then I'm going to cook this. Okay guys, so the vegetables are steaming and the water is boiling. And this is what I want because I'm pushed for time, so I'm trying to hurry and make this meal. So the water is boiling now. So what I'm getting ready to do now is add the noodles. I'll add the pasta, and this is the pasta again, the Garden Veggie Delight. The Garden Veggie Delight Trio. Okay guys, so while the pasta is cooking and the veggies steaming, I'm going to look through some Women's Day magazines because I plan on doing a vision board video for Vlogtober as one of my videos I'm going to upload for the month of October. So yeah, so I'm going to just look through these magazines and just see if there's anything in here interesting that I can use that'll help me with my vision board. And I'm gonna just fold the pages if it's something I see that I wanna maybe cut out and put on my vision board. Okay guys, it is currently 4:44 and I already have my eggs boiled for tomorrow for my breakfast. Trying to plan ahead, guys. So it's currently 4:46 now. I just showed you guys what time it was like a couple of minutes ago. I just wanted you guys to see what time it was because I'm getting ready to eat my dinner now. And I already have my eggs boiled for my breakfast for tomorrow morning. I actually have boiled some eggs this morning, but I didn't leave them on long enough. Like, it was like the yolk was yolky and wet. I can't eat no eggs like that. Now I need my eggs to be cooked, because at the end of the day, eggs is what? Liquid chicken, right? And if you guys been watching any of my videos, you guys know how I am about chicken. Anywho, so the reason why I'm eating my dinner so early is because, well, for one, I'm not eating anything past 7. And since it's getting close to 5 o'clock, I want to go ahead and eat my food, let it settle in my stomach, and then I plan on doing some type of workout today. Whether if it's an in-home workout or outside workout, I don't know, just some type of exercise. I need to do some type of exercise today. And I want to make sure my food has settled, because I don't want to be outside like doing no jump rope, jumping jacks, jogging or anything like that, and then I'll be sick on my stomach, because I don't even know what type of exercise I'm going to be doing. But just the point of me doing some type of exercise, I want to make sure my food is digesting. Y'all, I'm looking like that man from, what's that movie? Kung Fu movie? That Kung Fu movie? I'm going to put a picture of the guy I'm talking about right here so you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, so this is what I have for dinner. If you guys saw the video yesterday, I did some meal prep. So this is what I have for dinner today, which is the chicken with tomatoes and peppers and green beans with mushrooms. So yeah, this is my dinner for today. And earlier I had turkey burgers and sweet potato for my lunch. So yeah, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat my dinner, and I'm going to go ahead and write down everything I ate for today. And then I'm going to start writing down what I want to do as far as VlogTober. So I want to get, you know, so I can have me like a little schedule to go by for which videos I need to edit and everything on my iMovie. And that way I can go ahead and get those edited and get it uploaded and thumbnails created, and you know, everything that goes in when everything that goes in when you record a video and have to edit, upload, and etc. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do now, and get that over with, and just make me a little plan and get things started. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone has been having a good week and everything. The green beans are good, guys. Let me sit this over here for now. Let me eat first. The green beans are good, guys. The green beans are good, guys. It's just that they're a little squeaky. I think that's what you call it, squeaky. But yeah, guys, I'm just trying to do a little self-improvement for myself. And I can actually say I've been doing pretty good this week. Today is Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I've been eating good. I haven't been eating past 7 o'clock. And I wouldn't say I'm doing a keto diet or the Atkins or whatever kind of diet. I'm just doing Dion's diet. Whatever I'm putting in my mind that I want to eat and everything, so I'm trying to be healthy. Just eat healthier, just do better. And guys, it's so crazy that my little pink cranberry juice, let me show you guys my pink cranberry juice. Hold on one second. This right here, pink cranberry juice, bomb, guys, bomb. So back to my pink cranberry juice. I haven't drank any pink cranberry juice since I think Sunday or Saturday, something like that. Sunday, I forgot whatever day I went grocery shopping, I don't remember. But I had already bought like maybe 2 or 3 of them anyway. And I don't remember the last day I drank it. It was maybe like Saturday or Sunday, but I haven't had any. I've just been drinking water and tea. I'm so proud of myself. It's a process, guys. I have noticed that the past couple of nights, though, I haven't been sleeping all that well. I'll go to bed late. Like the other day, I was up to after 4. It was almost 5 o'clock in the morning. I was still up. Then last night, I fell asleep. I think it was probably maybe by 10. I was up at like 2 something, 3 something, and I've been up ever since. So I guess my sleep pattern and everything is, I don't know, off or whatever the case may be. But it's fine. Because when I'm up, I'm doing something. If it's editing or whatever, I'm doing something. This is good, guys. And I don't like spicy foods, but I did add a little red pepper plate to this chicken. And it's good. With the tomatoes and onion, it's real good. Put it with a string bean. Maybe it won't be so squeaky in my mouth. Let me give Princess this last little piece, cause she's standing here staring in my face like she crazy. I ain't gonna smell it first. No, she didn't. She smelled it first. Usually Princess just put it in her mouth. This time she smelled it. Oh, you being bougie now, huh? Princess being bougie, y'all. So now I'm going to write down everything I ate for today. And I'll show you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so I got my little setup going right now so far for VlogTober. So I just have VlogTober here and I have it's 31 days. So that means I know I need 31 videos for VlogTober. And so far, day 1, day 2, and day 3 are in my iMovie already uploaded. And I just have the iMovie number so to say. And then I have like what I need to do as far as for VlogTober so far. And then I have some content ideas. So this is what it's looking like so far right now, guys. So yeah, I got that done and out the way. Thumbs up for that. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead on and close out this video. It's probably 5 something. I don't know. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. But I'm gonna go ahead on and close out this video because my boyfriend will be home soon and I just want to spend some time with him and do some things. I am going to exercise, so I might record it. I don't know. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, which is going to be VlogTober Day 4. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.